Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Katie Snow, and today we're diving into one of the biggest root causes of fatigue, brain fog, and stubborn weight gain, and that's imbalanced cortisol. If your stress hormone cortisol is running too high or too low, your whole body feels it. The good news is there are natural ways to help your body reset and find balance again. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 favorite supplements for supporting healthy cortisol levels. First up is Ashwagandha Fort by MediHerb. Ashwagandha is one of the most researched adaptogenic herbs. It helps calm an overactive stress response while also boosting energy if you're feeling burned out. Think of it more like a thermostat for your cortisol. It helps bring you back into balance, no matter which way you're off. Number 2 is Kava Fort, also by MediHerb. If your stress shows up as tension, anxious thoughts, trouble sleeping, or panic attacks, Kava Fort can be a game changer. It promotes relaxation without making you feel groggy, which is perfect if your cortisol spikes overnight and then keeps you wired when you should be resting. Number 3 is rhodiola and ginseng. And this is also a MediHerb product. This blend is excellent if you're in that wired and tired state. If you're dragging all day, but then when you get home and you're ready for bed, you're up and unable to shut your brain down. Rhodiola sharpens focus and supports resilience, while ginseng helps to sustain energy and endurance. Together, they're great for stabilizing energy throughout the day. Number 4, I can't leave out our own magnesium power. Stress depletes magnesium, and when you're low, it's harder to relax, sleep, and even manage your blood sugar. Magnesium supports hundreds of biochemical reactions in your body, including the calming of your nervous system. It's one of the simplest yet effective ways to support healthy cortisol rhythm. In addition to the naturally sourced magnesium and calcium from Sango marine coral, it includes adaptogenic mushrooms, turkey tail, lion's mane, and reishi mushrooms. These ancient mushrooms help regulate cortisol by supporting the HPA axis. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis is also known as the body's central stress response system. And finally, there's Eleuthero by MediHerb. Eleuthero is sometimes called Siberian ginseng. Eleuthero is wonderful for rebuilding stamina after chronic stress or illness. For example, during COVID, we put a lot of our patients on Eleuthero. It gently boosts your resilience so that you can handle day-to-day stress without crashing. Balancing cortisol isn't about just taking a supplement. It's about supporting your whole stress response system. These supplements are some of my favorite tools for helping men and women restore energy, sleep better, and finally feel like themselves again. These supplements are outstanding, but if you find yourself constantly battling cortisol optimization, you could have an underlying immune burden, and that's where we'd want to pull the string and see what the root cause is that's stimulating this cortisol response. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this one. And if you're curious about which one of these supplements might be right for you, take a deeper dive by clicking the links in the description box below. If you would like to work with us one-on-one to find the root cause of your imbalanced cortisol, we offer a complimentary 15-minute phone consult that you can schedule with one of our team members. The link for this is in the description box below as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Katie Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.